Most traders check their phones in the morning before they even get out of bed. But today, I'm not checking the charts at all, but yet my trading system is running in the background. In this video, I'm going to show you what my day looks like as an automated trader and what it can do for you, and explain exactly why more and more traders are switching to automated trading than manual trading than ever before. And later in the video, I'm going to reveal to you the biggest mistake automated traders make when starting out. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I help people automate their trading so they don't have to stare at the charts all day and begin to enjoy life again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what my day looks like as someone who uses automated trading instead of manual trading. This video is not financial advice, it's simply a video to show you how automated trading works and how we can make your life a lot easier and less time consuming. If you want to learn how automated trading works and how to set it up, I got a free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. Jump in there and I'll show everything in there on a daily basis. So I'll see you inside the Telegram channel. This is where the biggest difference lies. Most manual traders, they will start their morning stressed. They jump on the charts, they're scanning the charts and they're worried about missing any entries. But for me, there's nothing. I set up the system and I let it run worry-free, stress-free, and I leave my emotions out of it. I think people underestimate how mentally draining manual trading can be, but when you start to automate your trading, it takes all that mental energy out of it so you can just carry on with your day and enjoy life again. What is an automated system? Well, it's a trading strategy that's been coded, structured, and tested to run on its own. You're still in control. You set your own risk settings, you manage the account, you oversee everything, but the day-to-day execution of the trades is all done for you automatically. Automated trading takes the emotions out of trading. So let's consider manual trading. Let's say you're trading on the charts and you hit a losing streak and you become really down, you become depressed, and maybe you start revenge trading, or you might even just give up altogether. Or the other way around, if you're on a winning streak and you get really excited, you're on the high, you're like, yeah, I got this, and you start trading more, and then you start risking more, and then you lose a lot of your account. So that's like emotional trading. You're trading with your emotions rather than what you see on the charts. And so automated trading takes that emotion out of it and just executes every single time. And there's no over trading. Like I just said, if you lose a trade, you tend to revenge trade, and then you keep revenge trading and you keep revenge trading and so on. And it's same again when you're winning. You're on the winning streak. You think, I got this now. And you keep trading, you keep trading, you keep trading. So automated trading takes out all the over trading you might do yourself and takes care of it so you don't overtrade. It knows when to stop. The other thing automated trading can do for you is you miss less entries. So for example, you're not sat on your charts, you set up your charts, you got your entry point, and then you get distracted and you come back and you realize that, oh, you missed your entry because you were distracted doing something else, or you were at work, or you were with the family. And yes, automated trading takes that out of it. So it executes the trade for you exactly when it should, while you carry on with other things in your life that you enjoy doing. This is where the lifestyle part of trading comes in. Instead of hunting for trades all day, I just check my phone occasionally, just make sure everything is working okay, make sure the system is still doing exactly what it's programmed to do. The biggest misconception is that automated trading takes away responsibility. Well, I disagree with that. I think it replaces the time that you're wasting on the charts. Like, you probably started trading because you wanted time freedom, just because you wanted to spend more time with your family, and that's exactly what automated trading allows you to do. It creates those time freedom for you. Let's have a look at why most beginner traders fail, and I've covered a little bit of this already, but I want to cover another two things. There's the emotions, which is what we've already covered, but the second thing is consistency. You need to be consistent in your strategy, in your trading, to become a profitable trader. You probably heard this on lots of podcasts and other YouTube videos about consistency. You have to be consistent. So let's say you're trading, you win 3 trades in a row, and then you take one loss and it wipes out those last 3 trades, and then you're discouraged and you're like, oh no, trading's not working for me. You either start over trading or you give up. But you have a strategy that has an edge. So the probability of you winning trades is higher than losing. So you must continue. Even if you hit that loss, you must then continue to the next trade and the next trade and the next trade. Eventually your winning trade to outnumber your losing trades. But for that probability to work out, you must continue trading day after day or week after week, whatever your strategy is. You have to keep going, you have to be consistent. And because people struggle with that, automated trading takes away that struggle. You don't have to be consistent anymore. Though it helps, it takes that consistency problem away, because the bot or the automated trading system will continuously trade consistently for you round the clock. So it doesn't matter, the bot doesn't have emotions, it doesn't care, it just executes consistently all the time. So we have an edge continuously. And I want to touch on what makes a good automated system compared to a regular bot. Well, a regular bot, what people tend to do is that they find a bot and they stick it on a chart and they click on, so the bot is running 24/5, so 5 days a week continuously. Doesn't matter what else is happening on the charts and the market, they have it running. And you're exposing yourself, you're exposing your capital to a lot of risk, because anything can happen on the market. So what is a good automated trading system? So that is one that someone who spent a lot of time in it, a lot of effort, and someone who monitors what's going on. So like myself, I don't let my automated trading system run continuously unless I'm confident that nothing's going to happen and I'm safe to do so. I got good risk management. But most of the time, I only turn the bot on during London session and New York session, where we got most volatility. And when we got like big red folder news, or Donald Trump is expected to open his mouth and say something, maybe I'll turn the bot off, because it's going to be quite unpredictable. So the good automated system is that you got someone, or yourself, or if you use my copy trading system, is overseeing that and minimizing the risk as much as possible, so you're not exposing your capital to too much risk at any given time. Just because everything is automated, it doesn't mean you don't need a good risk management system. So when you connect your account to an automated system, it probably asks you what sort of risk you want. So you want to try and keep that on the lower end of the scale, because anything can happen in the markets. It could literally spike one way or the other, anything can happen. So you still want to protect your capital, and that's exactly what I do. I keep my risk relatively low. I don't expose too much at any given time. And automated trading does not guarantee any results. So just like manual trading, you're not guaranteed to make profits every single day, or every trade is going to be profitable. We do take losses. Like I said earlier, the number of wins should outweigh the number of losses. So over time, with consistency, you will always win more than what you lose. But there's no guarantee in that at all. So that's the game that we're playing. We're playing a game of probability, and the game of probability doesn't always work out. So that's why risk management is important. Now let's have a look at some common questions I get when it comes to automated trading. And one of the top questions is it hands-off? Yes, it is completely hands-free. It's hands-off for you guys. So what this is now, you just need to set up your account, you need to set up with a broker, you need to put money into the broker and then connect it to the automated trading system. Once you've done that, it's completely hands-free, and you haven't got to worry about anything, because it's all taken care for you in the background. Can beginners do this? Absolutely. So the hardest thing about this is setting up your broker account. Once you set up your broker account and deposited money and connected it to the automated trading system, you haven't got to do anything else. It's completely beginner friendly. I'll teach you how to check on your account, how to withdraw any money that you make. But yeah, it is completely beginner friendly, and it's a great way to get into trading. And there are other opportunities. If you want to learn to manually trade, we can do that as well. But automated trading is where it starts. What exactly do you need to start? Well, the first thing you're going to need is some capital that you are willing to lose, or you're okay losing. I'm not going to say you're happy to lose, because nobody's ever happy to lose any money, but it's money that if you lost completely, it doesn't matter, you live. So what I recommend is, with my automated trading system, is that you start with at least £1,000, because that gives you a good buffer. Then you're very unlikely to lose all of that. at all with the risk management and the trading system I have in place. So yeah, what you need to get started, so you need capital to start off with. You also need access to a smartphone or a laptop to set up your account. But apart from that, nope. And you also don't need any trading experience because everything is taken care of for you. But like I said, if you want to take it further and learn how to trade, we can help you with that as well. If you want trading to fit around your life and not the other way around, where trading takes over your life, then automated trading might be what you're looking for. I encourage you to jump into my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below this video, where I reveal exactly how it works and how you can get involved. And you're asking me now, how much does it cost, Matt, to get into this Telegram channel? How much does it cost to start automated trading? It costs absolutely nothing. I'm giving this whole system away for free. All you gotta do is jump into the Telegram channel below this video. You can find the link, jump in there, and I explain to you exactly how you can take advantage of automated trading, and you can use some of our trading signals if you want as well, if you want to try out some manual trading. But everything I offer is completely free. All I ask is that you jump inside a Telegram channel and you can learn in there exactly how to take part in automated trading. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like a part 2, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you've got any questions, and maybe I'll make another video explaining exactly how it all works, and I'll create tutorials to how to set up your account so you can connect to the automated system. So until then, I'll see you in the next video.